Avevekuve, wetin Musa no go see for gate. Another one again, Kano State, forcing people to get married. I don't even understand what is really wrong with these people. But anyway, the Nigerian Bar Association has condemned the Kano court order forcing TikTok creators to marry within 60 days. How do you force people to marry? I don't even understand that they did an inappropriate whatever. So if they can't get married now, are they now allowed to go and open, what's that thing called? What's the thing called? I've forgotten it. Where they show they will not be doing any appropriate things I'll be putting out there. Are they not allowed to put that on? Is that what they're saying? Because I don't understand why you are doing this right now. But anyway, Sha, you wonder when all of these courts, you understand, this Kano court, where are they when issue of corruption is happening? They are never anywhere to be found. Anyway, that's my phone ringing. But unfortunately, I have to finish my video before I pay their call. So wherever you are, please don't be angry. NBA urged an immediate review of the decision by Magistrate Halima Wali and called on judicial authorities to prevent future occurrence of what is termed unconstitutional judicial overreach. The Nigerian Bar Association has condemned a reported ruling by a magistrate court in Kano ordering two popular TikTok content creators, Idris Mewushiria and Basira Eruguda, to formalize their relationship through marriage within 60 days. This is my first time of hearing that kind of this. How did she even think of it? This particular judge, what was she high on something? How did that was a reason for what? How do you force people to get married? Like as in what? In a statement issued by President Mazi Afam Osigwe San, the NBA described the development as a great misunderstanding of judicial authority under Nigerian constitution and violation of the fundamental rights of the individuals concerned. It's actually a violation of their fundamental rights because you're not forcing them to get married. Did they tell you they want to get married? What if they don't want to get married? How are you forcing people to get married? He said no court has the power to compel any person to marry another or to mandate two persons to marry. According to him, it is unconstitutional and therefore unlawful for any court to claim such authority. He described marriage as a voluntary union between consenting adults and cannot be imposed as punishment, moral correction, or judicial remedy. All of these courts, where are they when people are looting our commonwealth, people are stealing our commonwealth, people are packing, our monies away and all of that? They are never anywhere to be found. It is when on people minding their business, doing their own thing, that they now have, carry shoulder up and bring in their power. The NBA urged an immediate review of the decision by Magistrate Halima Wali and called on judicial authorities to prevent future occurrences of what it termed unconstitutional judicial overreach. Until and unless such judges are punished, they are not going to stop this. They will continue to do overreach themselves and begin to take themselves above what the Constitution has allowed. It also directed NBA Citizens Liberties Committee and the Women's Forum to monitor the situation to ensure that the rule of law prevails. The statement read, the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) notes with serious concern reports of a magistrate court in Kano allegedly ordering two popular TikTok content creators, Idris Mewushiria and Basira Erguda, to formalize their relationship through marriage within 60 days following a case arising from the publication of an indecent video. So because they did an indecent video, they are forcing them to marry. So if they're married now, they now have the authorities will not be doing whatever to be put out everything and anyhow. Is that what they're saying? I don't understand. Nigeria drains somebody. You know what they said, that if they explain Nigeria to you, if you are not Nigeria and you understood what they explained to you, sorry, whoever it was that was explaining that to you did not explain Nigeria very well to you. The report continues by saying this development reflects a great misunderstanding of limits of judicial authority under the Nigerian constitutional under the Nigerian Constitution and constitutes an affront to the fundamental rights of the individuals concerned. No court has the power to compel any person to marry another person or two persons to mandatorily marry. It is indeed unconstitutional and therefore unlawful for any court to purport to have power to make such an order. Marriage, by its very nature, is a voluntary union between consenting adults. It cannot, under any circumstance, be imposed as a form of punishment, moral correction, or judicial remedy. I just read that right earlier on. Like I always say, I don't know why newspapers they repeat themselves, but they always do. Let me just go to the comment section. I think that's what I need to do now because at this stage I'm just in short, the comment section they are not even they are not even saying anything. But there are some people here who are calling out the NBA that they didn't talk about the arrest that happened yesterday of lawyers that were arrested. You know, there was a protest going on Free Nnamdi Kanu, and his lawyer was arrested. He said his brother. There were some people who said, "Oh, why would the lawyer be there? You know, taking part in the protest?" I think Bayo Nanuga came out to say that that's what some people have said here. But other people have, well, basically what many people are doing here is just literally just calling out NBA on what they have not. But I think NBA has been doing a lot of amazing things in terms of speaking out on issues. But then there are so many issues that come out every day. You would not expect that every hour, every minute that you're putting out statements. They've really done quite well in taking on serious issues. Sometimes if they have not seen certain things, let's point them out, let's point the issues out to them so that they'll be able to see them and act upon them. But at the end of the day, I just want to say to everyone that we really have a lot of issues in this our country, and especially when it comes to the issue of religion, issue of custom, issue of morality. We seem to be a country where we put more burden and carry people to higher put them on such high pedestal when they are individuals that owe nobody nothing. They are doing their own business. But the politicians that we vote into office, that we are supposed to be on their neck, insisting that they're doing the right thing. We're supposed to hold them to higher moral ground. We're supposed to expect more from them, make demands from them, hold them accountable. Most times we don't do it. And that's the irony of what is happening in Nigeria. We allow people who are in public offices to get away with even murder. Anything they can do it and get away with it. Be sure that there will be Nigerians that will be making excuses for them. But when it comes to ordinary citizens, fellow citizens who owe us nothing, they do not owe us anything. We do not have anything that we can hold over them. Those are the ones that we carry shoulder. We now bring our morality to play. We'll be on our sanctimonious thrones and insisting that they have to do it the way we want it. Let's get off our high horses and focus on those who are supposed to be to do the right thing by the people and not individuals who are just doing their own life. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.